I got the differential going back in the Chevy Duramax with the 6-inch lift here. It's really heavy. It's not too heavy, it's probably about 60 pounds, but it's just awkward when you're trying to lift it up into here to get this bolt in first. So I just stuck a screwdriver in there and slowly started getting blocks underneath here because it's full of fluid as well. And then the 2 bolts on the other side, I started getting those in. And now it's just putting this cross member on at the front and the bolt in on that bracket at the front here. There was a bracket that broke up here and I had welded it back on here, but that wasn't even needed for the new mounting points on the differential with the 6-inch lift. So I also used a pry bar, that helped, and just lift it up with my hands and legs.